Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in the Allure beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Yay, my Allure box arrived. I recently switched it from being a month to, I think I pay 3 months at a time. You do get a discount. The box is $25 a month. You will get 6+ products. 3 are guaranteed to be full size. The others will be travel or deluxe samples. And sometimes you either get a selected product or select the shade of your product. That's what happened this month. One of the items, I want to say it was something for your hair, and you got to select which shade you wanted. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in because I have not watched any spoilers. So I'm excited to see what came in this month's box. All right, first item is very cute, but I will not get any use out of it. It is a hair scrunchie, which is that leopard or cheetah? It's quite large. It's very soft. It's from a brand called KRISTIN ESS Hair, and it's the oversized satin scrunchie. Yeah, it does feel like satin. Sadly, I don't have enough hair to even pull into anything that this would work on. I haven't had to buy a scrunchie in eons, but this one retails for $11.99, which seems a little pricey, but again, I would shop at Target. And if it was like $2.99, yes. $11.99, although satin, I don't know. But moving on to the next product. What is this? It's in bubble wrap. Does that mean your makeup? By the way, Allure tends to lean very heavily skincare, but we will get some makeup items. All right, so this is from a brand I've not heard of, which is called TEEEZ, and it's the Suit of Armor Don't Blush Me Blush. I don't know that I've ever received a blush in an Allure beauty box, so that's exciting. The only question is, will I enjoy the shade? Ooh. Okay, that is definitely a fall/winter shade. Let me do a swatch. So, if I had to describe it, I guess it's kind of like a muted orangey brick red. I don't know, it's giving me tomato soup vibes. I'm probably not the best at describing. It's not pink, it's not orange, it's not red. It's kind of if you mushed them all together, that's the shade. And it does have a slight, I don't want to say shimmer, like a glowy sheen, but not overpowering. All right, I'm curious if that is full size or sample. Could go either way. Let's see what the booklet has to say. All right, interesting. They're referring to that as a mauve pink. I guess it's got a little mauve in it. More mauve than pink. And it retails for $22. It doesn't mention if it's full size. I guess it could be full size. All I know is, thank goodness, it's not the same shade as this sticker here, because that looked very brick red. All right, next product is definitely a travel or sample size. What is this? It's super tiny and is giving me deodorant vibes. It's from First Day Beauty, and this here is an Anti-Chafe stick with shea butter and Colloidal oatmeal. Where the heck was this when I was on my trip? OMG. Okay, so this will be fantastic to throw in my travel bag, because if I'm on a trip or vacation, it's usually someplace warm, and then when I sweat, and then TMI, but the thighs kind of rub. So yeah, let me know if you've ever used a product like this before. I love the size, and it will fit nicely in my toiletry bag. This here is 9.9 grams. Full size is 50 grams and retails for $20. All right, next product. What do we have here? Again, this is from a brand I never heard of called FLÇNERIE. I'm gonna need the help of my little friend. This here is Lily Bloom Hyaluronic Vivifying Serum. Okay, it's 30 ml. It's vegan. And for a serum, this seems to be quite large. All right, it comes safety sealed. There is no pump. Let's see what the pamphlet has to say. All right, so hyaluronic acid is the star ingredient. Holy cow. This retails for $79. That is quite pricey and makes this $25 or $23 box worth every penny. All right, next item. What is this crazy looking bottle? All right, so this here is Maskin and Relaxin. Oh, is this going to be? Yeah. It's a product for your hair, your scalp. It's a moisturizing scalp mask. I say yeah, because I'm too lazy to use a product like this. Nourish your roots, infused with probiotics, retinol, charcoal, kale and clay, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera. I do not like peppermint oil on my scalp. It tingles and not in a way I enjoy. But let's see what this retails for, because I'm fairly certain that's full size. Oh, okay. Very affordable. It's $11.99. Interesting. For 4 ounces. Yeah, this is full size. Let me know if you've heard of this brand or if you've used that product before or a similar product. All right, next item. I want to say this is the one we got to select the color shade for. This here is from a brand called Style Edit, and this is Blonde Protection. It's a root concealer for blondes. Yes, am I strawberry blonde? Yeah, I want to say the options were like brunette, black, blonde. Maybe there was a gray. I can't remember. Interesting. I thought it would be a spray, but is it a spray? Oh, it is. I've never seen a spray that has like a little spout like that. I thought it was going to be a squirty thing. I don't have any roots really showing now, but let's see what that does, if it does anything. Can I use it like a dry shampoo? I don't know. I use dry shampoos mainly to give myself a little texture. Has a lovely, soft kind of hair product, powdery, floral, not obnoxious scent. I honestly thought that was going to be a full-size product where we selected our shade, but this is travel or deluxe sample size. Or is this full size? I don't know. They're listing 0.75 ounces, which this is, at $14.99. That seems very pricey for that size. And okay, here are the shades you could have chose from: medium blonde, medium brown, dark brown, or auburn. All right, and the last item is something from CAUDALÍE. This here is La Crème Gueux. Why do I go for the French? The eye cream. All right, this could be full size. Some eye creams are very tiny. Is not safety sealed, so let's do a little squirt. All right, it is definitely a cream, not a gel. And that is what it looks like. Does it have a scent? Yes. Not so much like perfume scent, but maybe the ingredients. Not the best. It definitely smells like something that's natural or from France. Very earthy or kind of spa scent. Not my favorite scent. But let's see what the little pamphlet has to say. All right. So, whoa. Okay. Yes. Definitely pricey. It's $28 for this 5 ml, which I assume is going to be a sample. Yeah. So this little eye cream alone paid for the box. All right, let's recap everything that came in the October 2023 Allure Beauty Box. We got the eye cream from CAUDALÍE. I got a root concealer for blondes from Style Edit. A hyaluronic acid serum from FLÇNERIE. The Maskin and Relaxin moisturizing scalp mask. An anti-chafe stick from First Aid Beauty. A satin hair scrunchie from KRISTIN ESS. And the Suit of Armor blush from TEEEZ. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, for $23, or if you pay full price $25, this is a really good box. Even though I'm not going to use the scrunchie, I'm not going to use this hair scalp moisturizer. The blush was $22. This little chafing stick will be fantastic when I travel. The serum was what, $78? This little 5 ml eye cream was more than the price of the box at $28. So you definitely get your value. I'm going to list the MSRP value, and I'm pretty certain this box will be at least $150, if not more. But I'm curious to know your thoughts on the products we received. Have you ever used this product before or even heard of this brand? If so, leave me a comment and let me know how this works best. Maybe I don't need it because when I colored my hair in February, I haven't done anything since then. And is there a grow out? Can you see anything? Because what? That's been 7, 8 months. It's been a long time. I don't feel like I've needed to color my hair again, or at least not yet. I love blush, and for Allure to put a blush in a box, super exciting. This is just a little sample, but I cannot tell you how excited I am to have a product like this in my life. Although we're into fall and winter where I won't need this, I'm going to put this in my toiletry bag, so if and when I go on a trip again, it will be there ready for me to use. I don't like stuff with peppermint. I'm sure everyone's screaming at their computer saying you love products like this. I just have really short hair that I cut all the time. My hair never gets damaged, so I really don't need products like that. But I get it. If you have long hair that you only get trimmed 3 to 4 times a year, you want a lot of nice hair products. But that's not the case for me. I always use a serum and I always use an eye cream, so these products will definitely get used. But now I want to hear from you. What did you think of this month's box? Have you been on the fence about subscribing to Allure? I honestly think the Allure box is one of the best beauty subscriptions on the market. The brands we get are always luxury or known brands. Or if you haven't heard of the brands, you're probably like me and aren't into hair care products. I'm sure you've all heard of these brands. I just haven't. Or they're European. But definitely you get your money's worth. All right, leave me a comment and let me know what your thoughts of this box were. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.